Dear students, welcome back to English class again, and today's class is going to be your grammar class. For grammar exercises, you have to take it down in 100 pages ruled book. As I told you in my previous class, grammar notes has to be taken down in your 100 pages ruled book. So take a book or make a book and then start. So our today's topic is, as you can see, question tags. I know in 8th and 9th standard and even in your primary school, you have come across question tags. Question tag is an important grammar aspect in English. Not only from the point of view of grammar, you have to learn how to use question tags for your day-to-day conversation. Now the question arises, why do we use question tags? Why do we need question tags? Question tags are nothing but very short questions asked by speakers in order to know listeners' opinion. If I am asking question tag to you, that means I want to know yes or no about some information. That's the purpose of question tags. So today we are going to study about two types of question tags. Basically, there are two types. Broadly speaking, there are two types. One is positive tags, another is negative tags. So before we understand what is positive tag and what is negative tag, we have to understand what is positive, what is meant by negative. We have to make differences. So as you can see, I have drawn a table here. Positive tags are also called affirmative tags. Why is it called affirmative? Because in that sentence, action has already taken place, or action has happened, or it has taken place. Some action is going on there. It is positive. It is true. It is truth. But completely opposite is a negative. In negative tag, action has not taken place. There is no truth in it. That is not a negative. Negative is always signified by NOT or short form N''T. So N for not, N for negative. You have to remember it like that. Now let me draw your attention about some of the affirmative and negative words that we are going to use, that are going to be useful in question tag. First of all, see the word can. What is the negative? Negative is cannot actually. Cannot is cut short into can't using apostrophe. See, apostrophe comes here. C-A-N apostrophe T. Then why do we use apostrophe here? Apostrophe means it indicates that one letter has been removed. Apostrophe always indicates that one letter has been removed. In that case itself we are putting apostrophe. So here N-O-T is removed. That is why it is T. So when we cut short the word, we use apostrophe. Similarly, go to the second word. Can, can't, could, couldn't, is, isn't, was, wasn't, do. It is do not. Do not is cut short into don't. Does, doesn't, did not, cut short, didn't, have, haven't, has, hasn't, had, hadn't. Then will. Most of the students in my class respond like willn't. It is not willn't. It is will not. Will not. Will not cut short into won't. I won't come to school tomorrow. I won't come to school tomorrow. W-O-N-T, won't. I wouldn't. Then must not. You must wear mask. You must not talk in class. Mustn't. Must not is abridged into mustn't. M-U-S-T N apostrophe T. So it is mustn't. So these are some of the examples to be followed while studying question tags. So we understood that there are two similarly, when you come to question tag, see, observe this. I have already written statements here. One statement goes like this. Observe this sentence here. She is coming, isn't she? She is coming, isn't she? It's a normal sentence. We use it in our day-to-day life. But if you closely observe this, you will see some punctuation marks. What is the punctuation mark? The punctuation mark is comma. I can divide this sentence into two parts. This is the first part, this is the second part. So the first part is called the statement. It's called a statement. Second part is called tag question or question tag. Why do we call it a tag? What is the tag? Something when you write answer exams, you tag answer papers and additional sheets. Don't with a tag or coin or whatever is available. So that is called tagging, binding it together, putting it together. Here we have put the statement and the tag together. So this part is called a statement. This part is called a tag. So what are the punctuation marks we see here? One is comma. Why should we put comma? We put comma in order to make a difference between the statement and the tag. That's the purpose of comma. Then another punctuation mark is apostrophe here. Why do we use apostrophe here? That is to denote some letter has been removed in order to cut it short. In question tags, we always use the shortened words, not the full word. We make it short and we use it as question tag. Now what is another punctuation mark here? That is question mark. Obviously, without question mark, question tag is incomplete. In your examination also, while answering question tag, you must write the question mark. So, I have written one sentence here. Similar sentence has been written as a second sentence. She isn't coming, is she? No, what's the difference? I tell you, the difference is here, the statement is positive, so the tag is negative. So, question tag follows a rule that if the statement is positive, tag is negative. Then if the statement is negative, what to be done? That means tag is positive. So here, see this, I'll make symbols here. This statement is positive. How to say, sir, how to say that it is positive, you may ask. Positive, in a positive sentence, action is taking place or it has already taken place. There is some truth in it. That is called positive. What's the meaning of negative then? What's the meaning of negative statement then? In a negative sentence, action has not taken place. Action is not taking place. There is no truth in it. That is why it is called a negative. So this is a negative statement. Now how the tag changes here? It is like a battery cell. When you install batteries in a torch, how do you install them? Positive, negative, positive, negative. So that is, those terminals come close to each other. That's how a torch glows. You can turn on the switch. If you put the cells haphazardly in your own way, you cannot turn on the torch. You have to put it in a proper way, positive, negative, in that manner. Here also, it is set in the same manner. See, for example, if your statement is positive, tag is always negative. How do you come to know that it is negative tag? Always NP, negative, and refers to negative. Isn't she? It's a negative tag. Then, if the statement itself is negative, see, action is not taking place, statement itself is negative here, then the tag is positive. The tag is positive. So plus, minus, remember, plus, minus, then minus, plus. This is the thing. Then one more clarification. When you start the tag here the word is isn't. I should always be small letter. It shouldn't be capital letter. Some students are in habit of writing in capital letter. It's wrong as per the grammar rules. Why is it wrong? Because this particular letter that is here or here is a part of the sentence. It is not a new sentence. It is the part of a only here in the beginning, not here in the middle. And this comma is important. The very next letter after the comma should always be small letter in question tag. Now what happens if you do not use question mark? Then question tag is going to be incomplete. It loses its meaning if you don't put a question mark. So remember all these aspects. So today we are going to try some example sentences, and try to learn how to form question tags or how to frame question tags. So let me see the second option or the second example. This sentence is, you have cleaned your bike. See this sentence. You have cleaned your bike. Now this is a statement. Now how to make a tag out of this? How to create a tag out of this? First identify the verb. Identify the action word. I identify the affirmative verb. What is the affirmative verb? You have. So it is a positive statement. You have cleaned your bicycle. So positive statement always has negative tag. Have. How to make it negative? Have. Say have. Have not. Correct. Have not short. Cut it short. That is haven't. Haven't you? Haven't you? Please understand. Haven't you? That is the time. One more sentence. John and Max don't like maths. John and Max don't like maths. How do you put a tag to this? What is it? A positive statement or negative statement? See, don't like maths. Positive statement or negative? Don't. Yes, exactly. It's a negative statement because don't has come. So it is a negative statement. If the statement is negative, tag should be positive. What is the positive form of don't? Don't. See here, don't. Do. What's the, so here, what's the pronoun to be used? John and Max, two people. You can use he. No, you cannot use he. There are two people here, two students here, John and Max. So, do they? Say, John and Max don't like maths. Do they? Let us follow another example. Kevin will come tonight. Kevin will come tonight. Tonight, this night, will come. What kind of statement it is? It's a positive statement. Will come. Action is going to take place. What's the negative? What's the tag? Tag is always negative. What's the negative form of will? Won't. What should be written? Can I take what name? No. Names are never used in question tag there. In that case, names are not used. Only pronouns are used. He, she, it, they. You can use I also like that. So, won't he. So, that is the thing. So, this is how we use the question tags. You have found the difference between positive statement and negative statement. Positive tag is always followed by, positive statement is always followed by negative tag, and negative positive tag. Plus, minus, minus, plus. Remember this formula. Entire question tag is based on this principle of plus and minus. So, if you are aware of this very simple principle, you can answer any question tag. These are all the direct question tags. So, answer is hidden in the statement itself. Next time we are going to deal with some of the question tags which do not have direct words. You have to find out the direct words and tag, create tags for them. So that is it. So I'm going to erase it. See, let's try a few more examples. Another example is he eats a lot. See this. The previous examples were very easy because answers were there itself. But here there is an answer, but it is hidden. It is hiding behind some word, and you have to find out what word it is. So how to put a tag to this? He eats a lot. Bakasura. He eats a lot. So how to find a tag to this? For such sentences, I am giving you 3 magic words. You have to write and learn 3 magic words. Which are they? One is do, another is does, another is did. So you have to remember 3 magic words: do, does, did. Whichever question tag you come across, which does not have a direct answer or direct verb here, you have to find out using these magic words. Do is present tense. Does is simple present tense. It ends with yes. So simple present tense. Does, cries, reads, studies, flies, jumps. All these are simple present tense words. Did is past tense. So 3 tenses here: present, simple present, and past. Now your task is you have to see which word matches with it. Now this is like a matching center. When you go to a cloth shop, you try to find out the best match. So that is the thing. Here you have to find out the best match. Now what to match with your word? First you have to identify the verb here. Verb is eats. He eats a lot. When I say eats, with which word does it match? Of the 3, which word should I match? See, the pronunciation is also same. See here, do, does, did. Here, verb is eats. Simple present tense. Eats is simple present tense. Here, what is the simple present tense? Simple present tense is eats. So, you have to match it with does. So, you have found the word now. Write the same word here. He eats a lot. Does. Now, your task is over. Now, find out whether it is a positive tag or negative tag. So, statement is positive, right? So, tag should be negative. Now, convert the positive into negative. Doesn't add proverb, that is doesn't eat. Answer is very clear. He eats a lot. Doesn't he? Eats. Answer was not directed. We found the answer through magic words. So does, simple present tense, it matches with the does, simple. Eats and does, that is the matching. So you wrote doesn't he. Let us find similar exercise. Another one. You eat a lot. You eat a lot. Somebody is saying, you eat a lot. Now, how to find out? Again, matching center. How to do it? Underline the verb. Now find whether it is present, simple present or past. So eat is present tense, right? Eat is present tense. What is the present tense here? This is present tense. You are matching it with eat. So you are writing do, right? Now whether the statement is positive or negative, it's a positive statement. So tag is negative. Do. What is the negative form of do? Find here. What is the negative form of do? Do not. Do not touch on. Don't. Don't you? Don't you? So eat is present tense. So we match with the do. One more exercise. He works hard. He works hard. See again. He works hard. Works. What kind of sentence it is? What is the verb? Simple present tense. Works. With verb, which word does it match? Magic word does. He works hard. Doesn't he? See, simple present tense usually ends with the yes. As I told you, jumps, flies, eats, writes, like that. It is yes ending. So simple present tense is yes ending verbs. So it's very easy to find out here. So try one more. Now this is a unique statement where you cannot use magic words at all. I am clever. Somebody said, I am clever. But as I told you, the tag should be negative, as you know. Can we write amn't I? Isn't it? Can I? Like that. Can I write amn't I? My dear students, it's an exceptional statement. Here, in English, there is no usage of am I. You can use am I. I'm not right, am I? I'm not right, am I? You can use. But you cannot use am I in English. That is, I am clever. Then what is the answer here? There is an answer, but it is not am I. For such things, you write. So, I am clever. Aren't I? I am a student. Aren't I? I am a teacher. Aren't I? You cannot say am I. If you speak like that, people will laugh at your English. If they know the right English. So it is aren't I. Sometimes in examination they ask such questions deliberately in order to test your knowledge. In order to test you, they take play. So don't write the wrong answer. You have full 1 mark for this kind of exercise. So put the right answer here. It is always aren't I. One more such example. Let's go. Let us go. Let's go. Now what do you write? No magic word. Nothing goes with it. Let's go. What to write? For this, you are write. Shall we? Let's go. Shall we? These are the exceptional statements you have to keep in mind. Now, one more exercise. You march. You march. In the wrong place. You parked in the wrong place. See, you parked in the wrong place. What type of statement is this? Your car is in the wrong place. Parked, or bike is parked in the wrong place. What is the statement here? It is a positive statement. Now how to find the tag here? What should be the tag? Tag should be negative. Now tag is hiding behind some word here. It is not open. It is hiding behind some word. Behind which word? Behind it is always hidden behind the verb. What is the verb here? What is the action word here? Part. What is the tense of this word? Present tense, simple present tense or past tense? Since it ends with ed, it is past tense. You are matching it with the did, past tense. So, which magic word are you going to pick? Did. So, write this word here. Did. You parked in the wrong place. Did. Make it negative. Didn't. What is the pronoun you are going to put? You. Didn't you? So, you parked in the wrong place. Didn't you? So, that is how you make the sentences. If there is one more sentence, see, I am not disturbing you. Since very clear, very easy. I am not disturbing you. See this is also a tricky one. I am not disturbing you. It is a negative statement actually because not is there. So it is negative. So the tag should be positive. I am not disturbing you. What is the answer? Am I? So if I am comes aren't I? If I am comes aren't I? If I am not comes, if I am not comes, am I? I am not a teacher. Am I? I am not a cricket player. Am I? I am not a lawyer. Am I? So in this way, question tags are answered. Hope you have understood the technique of making question tags. So I am trying to send a photo of this board writing via WhatsApp to you. And also I send some examples or some questions to you via WhatsApp. You have to answer these questions in your grammar book, that is 100 pages rule book. So take down all these things in your 100 pages rule book. This question tag is useful at all levels of your education. Even when you go to PUC and higher education, if you have English there, you will study question tag. So a few more examples will be given to you in your WhatsApp group, wherein you have to find out the answer and write it. So thank you very much. Hope you have understood. Let us summarize affirmative and negative. Affirmative means action is happening. Negative means action is not happening. So tags are of question statements are of two types. One is positive statement and negative statement. Positive statement is always followed by negative tag, and positive statement is always followed by negative tag. Negative statement is always followed by positive tag. In this way, positive and negative, negative and positive. So wherever you don't find direct answers, you have to use these magic words. That is present tense do, simple present tense does, past tense did. So present, simple present and past, do, does, did. Remember this formula in order to answer any question tag in the world. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. See you some other time. Thank you.